In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach static lists to HubSpot campaigns. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect a specific audience to your campaign, so your reporting stays clean and your results are easier to attribute. Start in your web browser and head to Google. Type HubSpot into the search bar, then click through to the official HubSpot website. Go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're in the right HubSpot portal for your work, and that you have permissions to view and edit campaigns. If you're part of a larger team, aligning on the correct portal and naming conventions will save you time later. Once you're in, move your mouse to the main navigation and locate the marketing section. That's where HubSpot groups tools like email, ads, and of course, campaigns. Click into Campaigns to open your campaigns dashboard. Here you'll see all your campaigns, including drafts and active ones. You can quickly scan names and dates to find what you need, and it helps if your team uses clear, consistent naming. Click on the campaign you want to work on. This opens the campaign workspace, where you'll manage assets and track performance. Look for the Actions menu within the campaign. Click Actions, then choose Add Assets. This is your gateway to linking the items that belong to this campaign, from emails and forms to lists. A panel will appear where you can pick the type of asset. Since we're focusing on audience attribution, choose Lists. Attaching a list helps HubSpot understand which contacts belong to this campaign's audience, making your influenced contacts and performance metrics more accurate. For consistent reporting, use a static list here. Static lists capture a snapshot of contacts at a moment in time, which keeps your campaign numbers stable and easier to compare. Active lists continually update, which can shift your metrics unexpectedly. Next, search for and select the specific list you want to attach. If you have many lists, use clear search terms or filters to find the right one. Double-check that you're choosing the intended static list, especially if you maintain both static and active versions for different use cases. When you've selected the list, click Save. You should now see the list added to the campaign's assets. From here, your reporting will reflect that audience association, and you can continue managing emails, forms, and other assets with confidence that your contacts are properly tied to this campaign. That's it. You've attached a static list to a HubSpot campaign, setting yourself up for cleaner attribution and more reliable insights. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you follow along.